So you've probably seen our Window Works video and Window Works 2, where we've used the big window light just with the wooden floor, and then the second one we used the bed as well. So today we're going to add something extra to that, and we're going to put some foreground paraphernalia in to do a bit of focus throwing, create a little bit more of a voyeuristic type image. So we're going to use some curtains, and we're going to use a bed head just to create that little bit of a voyeuristic feel. We're also going to use the bed head to frame the model within the curves of the bed head, so it's kind of framing within framing. So there'll be some really good examples of some quite unusual stuff. So here we are in our window light set again. We have Kelly here ready to be photographed. Window light exactly the same as before, so it's created by two lights, one either side behind those blackout panels there. White background, just reflecting the light through the curtains. The light that's actually going to be doing all the work as far as Kelly's concerned is off softbox over here, and we've got our grid on there, which is just going to stop a little lens flare coming off towards the camera. Okay, so that's going to be doing all the work. The window light really is nothing more than a prop. Okay. Okay, so all we've done is we've just pulled this curtain across a little bit, and we're just kind of skimming Kelly's body with it just here, throwing it out of focus, working at an aperture of 5.6 with my 85mm lens. It's just enough to throw this nicely out of focus, because it is quite a way away from Kelly just there, and it's just kind of skimming her back. It gives the picture some real depth, and kind of makes you think that you are actually maybe in a room, and it's kind of got that voyeuristic feel to them. Okay, let's do some more. Okay, so. Okay, so that's how simple that is. Just one curtain adds a little bit of a different dimension to the set. As I say, gives it a little bit more depth and that kind of voyeuristic feel. Up till now we've been doing some quite wide stuff with that 85mm lens. We've got the whole of Kelly in. Going to swap over, put my 105mm lens on, and then we're going to do some kind of nice, quite a tight portrait.